Hi everyone, I'm Joshua. Good to see you guys again. So today I'm gonna talk about a new things. The new thing is actually it is summary and response style. So are you ready for it? Yeah, I sure you're ready. Okay, let's start from the summary part. Um, this is a lecture from MIT Open Courses program, and the lecture's name is Television as a Cultural Form. In the lecture, the professor and those students are discussing about something about television. So nowadays, American society see television as a poison, as a bad thing. Even those TV producer themselves, they want to have a high level art something instead of just making TV program. What's more, in the past, some politicals they attacked the TV program many times because they think they are dangerous, they are violent, there are a lot of violent things appear on TV program, and they call TV wasteland. Um, However, the professor and those students are defended for the TV program, defend for television. They have some main point of it, and the first one is they point out that the previous research about TV are not very convincing, and the second point is that people usually will think TV as a new thing. They are fear of they kind of fear of the new technology. And the last one is the third point, which is audience actually are active, they are lively, they're not just absorb those information from TV, they can choose those information, they can refine those information. So in this case, TV is not really a bad thing like those politicians people say that. Besides, the professor and the student also discuss about the phenomenon now. So now people tend to think people are not television are not that dangerous like before, for some reason. First is that nowadays, like I mentioned before, people are used to worry about, feel feared about the new technology, and TV now is not the new technology. So now, what is the new technology? Just like video games, people are afraid of this. And the second point is that TV as a modern medium, it is special, just like book, just like theater. You go to theater, go to cinema to watch a movie. You stay in your home to watch a TV show, right? They are special because they have their method to produce some information. So that's all the summary I have. So now I'm gonna turn to the response part. First, I want to talk about is how easy or how difficult is the lecture. I think personally, I think the lecture is kind of difficult for me because I think the speed of the speaker's speech is very fast. Actually, I can't hear very clearly for according to what the audience or the audience or the lecturer said. Well, actually, I know a lot of Americans just talk like this, but it's very fast for me. Besides, I also noticed that the professors talk a lot of difficult terms. That term are very different from the words we use in daily life. So that's another reason for it. I think the most useful note-taking strategy is that the outline form. When I do outline form, I just draw down the information I heard immediately. But if you want me to write a question of it, like a Cornell way, well, actually it takes time to think about a question from your head and write it down. It takes time. but you know, they're speaking very fast. I don't have time to do it. And for in general, I prefer the outline way, because yeah, just like I said before, it is more natural way to drop down the information you had. And at the last part, I want to talk about, actually, according to the courses, watching TV is a good thing, based on the reason I just talked before, and I will repeat it again in conclusion part. In summary, watching a television is kind of good thing, based on some research and based on the information you get. It's a new medium, right? And also, according to this listening statue, I learned a lot from it. I know how to take notes. I know what a usually American professor's speech like. And finally, I want to say thank you to everyone. Thank you for listening my short presentation. Thank you.